Okay, today I want to turn the ground. I was turn already some. And when you dig, you gotta go dig. Look, look. And look at that. And I gotta do all this piece. I gotta plant the tomato. I have to pepper my oil, baby. And over there, I plant already change beans and land it. But before you, when you turn the ground, make sure they clean up good. Look at that. And after, I got my tomato already grow outside. It's like maybe a couple of inches tall.
What do you got?
Okay, now you got the tomato over here. I got on this other side, I got a tomato. And I got the leek. I got a leek too. Look, this is the leek over here. It's the ground. Okay. And over here, I got to turn all the ground over here. And I got to put a lot over here, baby. A lot of tomato.
Arugula?
Arugula, parsley, and cilantro. I got to make.
Looks like you have Swiss chard over there.
Yeah, this is it's a couple of years old already. It come out every year. I got a lot of mint. It come out. I got the sage over here. And I got the thyme. The other one, wait, what do you call that one? It's like the rosemary.
The tarragon?
Yeah, tarragon. Tarragon.